you telling me no? Why? Well, you can do it, but I can't. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today I have a very special guest, Brooke, my cousin. When was the last time you were in a video with me?
3 years ago.
Was it 3 years?
4 years ago.
Wait, how old are you?
10.
What? Ew, are you 10?
10.
Rude. So, Brooke called me and said she wanted to do a video with me, and she started reading off some of the challenges, and which
Being Boozled. Being Boozled.
Can't wait for this one. I know like the concept of this game.
Now just to read.
Okay, open this up. No. Are you blind?
I have to get a stronger prescription.
Oh, but when I'm this close to you, I can see you perfectly.
Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, says shoot.
I win.
No, isn't it best out of 3?
Best out of 1.
So I have to go first.
Yeah. Boiled milk and barf are supposed to be the worst ones.
Great.
Dun, dun, dun.
Have a trash can handy at all times. Trust us. Do not let wimps or crybabies play this game. Oops. That's me.
Bag.
Ew, so the new ones are stink bug and dirty dishwater.
What? I'm scared for you. You got berry or toothpaste, which should be a good one.
Ready? I just shove it in.
It's probably gonna be good because no bad ones.
Berry!
Pudding or canned dog food?
Ooh.
Canned dog.
Is it? Is it? You gotta eat it. Is it really canned dog food? You gonna spit it out? You didn't even chew it.
Yes, I did.
Okay. Oh. Ew.
I swear you're gonna get all the good ones. It's
butter, popcorn, or rotten egg.
eggs. 3, 2.
I'm scared. Okay, ready?
1, 3, 2.
Oh! What are you?
You can spit it out.
Ugh.
It's called coffee, not water. Water doesn't do anything.
Oh no!
Ew, 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 ew.
But yeah, rotten eggs.
Booger or juicy pear? What is it? Booger?
Booger.
Is it? You gotta think about it. It's booger?
Actually.
Wait, is it juicy pear? Let me smell. It's booger, right? Come on, good one. Hit me.
Booger. Same
Juicy pear, booger. Well, if you didn't know that booger can't be that bad either way. Ready?
It was booger though.
Juicy pear, I got that juicy pear. Mmm. Imagine it was booger and I like just liked it. Oh, butter popcorn or rotten egg. Good luck with that one. Chew it. What is it? Popcorn?
Popcorn!
Yay.
This is intense.
Berry blue or toothpaste? Thank God, because it was on dirty dishwater.
You're probably gonna get the good one anyway.
Toothpaste.
It tastes the same anyway though.
Now I have minty fresh breath.
Barf?
Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish? Yo.
I'm already barfing.
Alright, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. 2 bites. Dead fish? Did you miss the bag?
Yeah.
Ew.
You have to pick it up.
No, you have to. It's yours. Ew. No, don't. Ew.
Coconut or spoiled milk. Yay!
Rude.
It's the worst one besides barf.
I think stink bug is actually the worst one. Coconut! Do a real one.
No!
Peach or barf? Barf.
I quit.
No, you can't quit yet. Ew, look at, ew. That's barf in that bag. 1, 2, go.
Yay.
Good, what is it, peach? Thank God, poor thing. Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
It's like the brownish one.
Bottoms up. Think I can catch him or no?
No.
I don't see yourself. Ow! That was hard, sorry. I hope you get stink bug.
Do not let wimps or crybabies play this game.
Dishwater. Ooh, stink bug or toasted marshmallow!
No. Bye.
You chose this game. Come back.
No.
You can't give up. If you give up, then you have to eat the entire thing at once.
No.
Marshmallow? Is it marshmallow?
I don't know. Barf!
Peach or barf?
I wish you could. Namaste.
Namaste in bed. No, it's so bad. What do I do?
Can you go get another snack for us in case we get that one?
No, the pretzels.
So we got snacks.
We got snacks because this is just, it was easy in the beginning,
But now it's getting intense.
but now it's getting in.
I got veggie things, she gets
Veggie chips, I got popcorn.
I'm scared.
That's good.
You can catch us.
Pounded
Dead fish or strawberry banana again? Oh.
Dead fish again? Buttered popcorn or rotten eggs? FML.
What's that?
Nothing. Alright, ready? Which one is it gonna be? No.
Tell me what FML means.
Why?
Tell me.
No, you're a little girl.
Something with the F word.
My life.
No.
That's what it means. F and L is F my life. You wanna bet?
F my life, yeah.
That's what it means. You don't
No.
believe me?
I do.
Oh. Ever repeat it.
F my life.
Oh, it's rotten eggs.
Too bad. Put it in your mouth.
Oh wait, maybe it's not. Ugh! Oh my god, that one's so bad. This is so messed up.
Yeah, it's a blue one.
One more each?
Blueberry. It's our last one. It was coconut or spoiled milk.
Oh, alright, fine. Thumbs up. Ugh.
Ew, that one stinks. It stinks.
Last one, come on, stink bug. No one got birthday cake though. Coconut or spoiled milk?
Coconut is really good.
I feel like we should both take one that's birthday cake or dirty dishwasher since we didn't get it, and we both grab one and eat it at the same time.
Right.
Alright, so cheers.
1, 2,
2,
3. Ah.
Well, thanks for coming in this video with me. Thank you for making me almost vomit all over your face. Thank you for watching. Bye guys, see you in my next video.
Bye. Mwah.
And then heart.
Yeah.
Baby man, does whatever a baby man can. He's getting his balls chopped.
What'd you say?
He's getting his little balls chopped next week. Oh, I got lipstick on him, look. Be careful, he's gonna scratch you.